Hey guys, I'm back again with another book. This one's about colors and we'll be focusing on the letter U. Red fox runs through the red wood. Orange ape swings through the orange jungle. Yellow snake slithers in the yellow desert. Green crocodile crawls along the green beach. Blue whale swims through the blue ocean. Pink pigs bathe in the pink swamp. Purple beetles wriggle in the purple meadow. Did you notice when we were reading the book there were several U's all throughout the words? In this page, on the red color, we have the letter U in the word runs. Remember that fox was running? And his tail is a feather duster. Duster has a U in there. I also put a square around our friend Mr. Mouse because mouse has a U in that word. And on here, on the orange page, we had two U's. One in the word through and one in the word jungle. I also put a square around this ruler because ruler also has a U in there. I was trying to search so hard and I couldn't find any U's on this page, not even in these pictures. Maybe you can be smart and find one. On here, I didn't see any in the words at the top of the page, but I did happen to notice this crocodile had a lot of buttons on his body. Buttons also has a U in that word. This blue whale has the letter U in the word blue. I also circled these bubbles that the fish were blowing because bubbles has a U. Oh, look at these pigs. I didn't see any in these words at the top, but we can get creative, right? So again, I saw some button ears, and remember, button had a U in there. And also, they told us this was a swamp, and we know that pigs like to be in mud. So I put a square around the mud because that has a letter U. Here we go with the purple beetles. Look at that word purple. It has a U in there. And there's that word through again. We saw that word on another page. I also was looking, and I looked everywhere I could look, and I found these butterflies right here. Butterfly has the letter U. Well, I hope you had fun exploring this book and trying to find our letter U.